Hi, this tutorial is going to focus upon improving your spelling of some of the most commonly misspelt words at key stages 3 and 4. Along the way, it's also going to discuss some of the most successful strategies that will help your spelling in general. So, let's begin. If you can get a pen and paper handy, and we'll have a short spelling quiz. I'll read out the word and then I'll pause for about 5 seconds. If you need more time, just pause me. Alright, let's begin. The first word is piece, as in a piece of cake. The second word is a more complex word, and it's accommodation. The third word, an old chestnut, is necessary. The fourth word is rehearsal. The fifth word is pursue. The sixth word is separate. The seventh word is appalling. The eighth word is cue. The ninth word is success. And the last one is parallel. Okay, right. The first strategy we're going to look at is called mnemonics. It's probably a strategy that you've engaged in primary school and maybe even with your parents. Basically, it's a catchy little saying that prompts you to spell the word correctly. All right, so let's start with that simple word piece, for example. Instead of saying a piece of cake, you say a piece of pie, and you're focusing on that word, that part of the word that's most commonly misspelled, and that's P-I-E. Let's go to a more complex word and see how a mnemonic works with that. Okay, so you've got accommodation. Now, when you book accommodation, you remember you book 2 double rooms. So you should see the double C and double M in accommodation. You may have difficulty with all those O's. So you may like to say book 2 double rooms and 3 singles, the singles being the O's. So then it will read A-double-C-O double M-O-D-A-T-I-O-N. Got it? Okay, number 3 is necessary. Now, it was a student of mine that actually said, I remember this word because my parents told me to make a shirt, it's necessary to have 1 collar and 2 sleeves. Which I thought, oh yeah, that works. Okay. Another student of mine said, who did D.A.V., said a cesspit is always necessary when camping, and cesspit, of course, is C-E-S-S and separate word for pit, P-I-T, but that assumes you can spell cess correctly. All right, so I like the collar and sleeves, so we'll keep that one. Right, the next one is pursue, as in that you will pursue a criminal, especially if he has stolen something from you. Right, so you will pursue the 2 U's, okay, easy, P-U-R-S-U-E. Okay, separate. Now, the word separate is interesting because it means to part something. Now, the middle syllable in the word is, if you see it in the middle there, is separ, P-A-R. So it's S-E-P, S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E. Next one, appalling. Okay, again, same principle. In the middle of the word is the word all. So all of it was appalling. All right, so therefore you should see A-double-P-A-double-L-I-N-G. The next one, again, a student of mine, you can see already that as most teachers, are magpies. I keep collecting them from people and students. So a Q is, they said, we remember it by saying like QUE squared, like in maths, putting a little 2. I said, okay, well, it's Q, UE. And I said, got it, all right. Success, all right. The two twins achieve success. So you'll see in the word double C and double S. Now, last one, okay, is in parallel, you will see in the middle rugby posts. Easy to remember for a Welshman. So hopefully you'll get it then, P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L, all right? Now, hopefully, if this works, you can check your answers afterwards, because I've videoed one of my slides with the word and the mnemonics on, so that'll help you. And hopefully you've scored much higher on the second test if you rewind and do it again than you did on the first one. All right. Let me tell you also that there is going to be a series now on improving your spelling. This is going to be the first. They're roughly going to be about 10 minutes long, and I'm going to focus on 1 or 2 strategies. Hopefully, I'll see you again.